Hi guys, I'm here in Caston and the snow continues to come down, pelting in my face. The good news is right now, the winds are really not an issue. The roads are currently partially covered, but these side streets are definitely packed with ice and snow. The good news is the wind, again, is not that bad right now, but that's going to change dramatically Thursday and especially into Friday, which could be a crippling event on Friday with whiteouts and wind gusts around 40 to 50 miles an hour. Matt Moss from the Dodge County Emergency Management Specialist is saying this could be a significant event as far as traveling.
Absolutely. This is especially in our rural areas, the flatter areas without the trees, outside of the city. The wind is going to really pick up that snow and blow it around, and we're going to have whiteout conditions, and it's going to really make travel treacherous.
And there's actually a process that happens if you do get stranded. Then there is actually some good news if you do get stranded, because you guys will go out and assist, even though we're saying not to go out.
Yes, please don't go out. Don't travel if you don't have to. But if you absolutely have to, we do have measures in place to make sure we're able to rescue people. Unfortunately, you got to remember the roads are really bad in that situation, and it's even hard for public safety to get around. So sometimes it can take us quite a while to get to those type of people.
So we don't want you getting in that situation. Just stay at home and enjoy the warmth of your home. For more details on the storm, we'll have another update tonight at 10 o'clock.